to sing, so that's why I auditioned. Maybe my wife kind of nudged me a little bit too.
Police! Get your hands up!
My first thought when I got my golden ticket, honestly, all I could do was cover my face because I cried a little bit. I'm kind of a crybaby.
Miami County, 911.
Oh my God, somebody broke into my home. Somebody broke into my home and shot my wife.
Are they still in there?
I don't know. Please hurry. Please hurry.
What are you seeing?
My wife she's got 2 shots to her head. There's blood everywhere. Oh my God. Sir, please.
Ma'am, I need you to take a deep breath, okay? Do you still see anybody in the house?
No, the door to the garage was wide open. Please hurry, please. Oh my God. My daughters are here. My daughters are here.
Where's she at?
She's in the bed.
Are you with her?
Yeah, I am in the room. I'm looking at her. Yes, please.
You guys have the door locked?
We have the doors to the garage locked, but into the house, yes. Please. Oh my God.
The thing that makes me unique, I absolutely love the Lord. I love my wife more than anything. She is very, very pretty. Just, I love her. But, I'm just a normal person who absolutely loves to sing more than anything in the world.
What happens when fame fades and tragedy takes its place? This is the story of a man once celebrated on national television, now the center of a shocking murder investigation. In 2013, Caleb Flynn stepped onto the stage of American Idol sharing his music and his life, especially his love for Ashley. Fast forward 13 years and that same man is now behind bars accused of the murder of his wife, a beloved Ohio teacher and coach, in what authorities say was a staged crime scene. In the early morning hours of February 26, 2026, police in Tip City, Ohio responded to a frantic 911 call. My wife has been shot. Someone broke into our home. Caller identified himself as 39-year-old Caleb Flynn, saying an intruder had entered his home and shot his wife, Ashley, while their young daughter slept in another room. But within hours, investigators began to question that narrative. When officers arrived, they found 37-year-old Ashley dead inside the couple's home, shot multiple times. Early signs pointed to an active burglary, but inconsistencies began to surface. So investigators noted strange details like a refrigerator blocking a garage exit and other evidence that just didn't add up. Before long, the scene was no longer a burglary, but was the site of an alleged staged murder. On February 19th, police arrested Flynn, charging him with the murder, felonious assault, and tampering with evidence. He pleaded not guilty at his arraignment, which you will see now, and was held on $2 million bond.
Steve Flynn. Mr. Flynn, you have several charges here. Count 1 is a murder charge, is a felony of the first degree. Count 2 is 2 and 3 are both felonious assault charges, second degree felonies. Count 4 is tampering with evidence, a third degree felony, and that's count 4. Count 5 is tampering with evidence, a third degree felony. Mr. Falker?
Your Honor, Mr. Flynn would tender pleas of not guilty and would ask for this matter to be scheduled for a preliminary hearing. Mr. Flynn is residing in Tip City. He doesn't own a commercial flooring company. He is not on probation or community control. He has no other charges pending against him and has no criminal history.
Miami County, 911.
Mr. Flynn, we're going to set your case for a preliminary hearing for next week on February 26th at 1 p.m. You do have the right to have an attorney to represent you. If you cannot afford one, you can apply to the public defender's office and they'll determine if you're eligible for a court-appointed attorney. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything you'd like to say to the court with regards to a bond in this case?
I'm so sorry you cut out there.
Is there anything you'd like to tell the court with respect to bond in this case?
I don't really understand that, so no, sir.
So the court has to establish a bond, sir, to ensure that your appearance, okay? So the court will establish a bond and you have the right to tell me, hey, I'm not a flight risk, I am a flight risk, or anything of that nature. Is there anything you would want to tell me about that?
Sir, I just want to take care of my daughters. I'm not at risk.
I understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, the court is going to order a $2 million blanket bond in this case, covering all of your charges. Should you post bond in this case, the court will order that you be on pretrial services electronically monitored house arrest. Furthermore, the court will order that you will have no contact whatsoever, directly or indirectly through a third party, with. You are not permitted to speak to them in any way, shape, or form. That includes electronic communications. You are not allowed to communicate through family members whatsoever. Do you understand all of that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So as of today, February 22nd of 26, there's been a huge development in the previous 911 call you've heard. The Tip City police authorities have said that they were led astray by the staging of the crime scene, allegedly by Caleb Flynn. He told dispatchers that she had 2 shots to her head, there was blood everywhere, the garage door was open. This is a huge prosecution narrative shift already forming of the fake intruder defense, because as they dive deeper into the crime scene, there is no evidence that is backing up his 911 call. Authorities have delved deeper into the crime scene and have found out that it is 100% staged. This is not looking good for Mr. Flynn. And as of yesterday, February 21st, the family of Ashley came out and politely declined to be interviewed, and they canceled the public memorial because this is hitting the mainstream so hard and they don't want a circus. However, they came out and said that they trust the local police and federal authorities and are taking the proper steps in the investigation. As the father said, "Our hearts are shattered. Ashley brought endless light to our world, and we are trying to navigate this immense loss. Our family believes this arrest was made carefully and not without serious consideration. After speaking with both local police and federal authorities, we trust the proper steps were taken and the process is being handled appropriately." And then they kindly just ask for privacy and just want to be left alone. They probably have strict guidance from the police to keep their mouths closed as this investigation proceeds. This is turning into another classic American tragedy, and we at Time Serve are going to bring you every second of it.
You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and cut your hair in front